Meaning of football pools.
Football pools.
Football pools.
Football pools.
Football pools. Football pools is a form of sports betting where participants predict the outcome of a series of football matches. The traditional method involves filling out a coupon with the predictions and paying an entry fee to participate. The results are determined by calculating the number of correct predictions, and winners share the prize pool. With the rise of online betting, the process has become digital, and the concept has expanded to include other sports and events. In summary, football pools is a type of sports betting that requires predicting the outcomes of several football matches, with the chance to win a share of the prize pool.